MOCA raids 3 more local authorities. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. Also this evening, the government prepares to deal with cases of microcephaly.
Jamaica not considering exiting from CARICOM.
More work for Jamaicans on overseas employment program.
And in the business day, government urged to make PATH payments through mobile money.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you make of the raids by the police and other agencies on local authorities since last week?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.